Hello again. It's time for Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and today we're having a quick look at reported speech. Now, when we report something that somebody said, we usually change the tense of the verb. Everything goes back one tense from the original. For example, present simple becomes past simple. I live in a small flat. Present simple. I live in a small flat. Go back a tense for reported speech, it becomes I said that I lived in a small flat. Present continuous becomes past continuous. The present perfect and simple past, they both change to past perfect. Will becomes would. Can becomes could. We are going to look at reported speech. We are going to look. We're going to look at reported speech. Go back a tense. Uncle Geoff said that we were going to look at reported speech. We were going to look at reported speech. So, can you change these sentences? I'm visiting friends. I am going to a conference. I've lost my passport. We've been on holiday. I don't understand. Can you change these 5 sentences into reported speech? This first one is spoken by a boy. The second one is spoken by a lady. I've lost my passport is spoken by a man. We've been on holiday, a woman and a man, and I don't understand, spoken by a boy. So, can you change those sentences into reported speech? So, the first sentence, I'm visiting friends, becomes he said he was visiting friends. The I am becomes he was. I am going to a conference. A lady this time. I'm going to a conference. She said. She said that she was going to a conference. I am going. Present continuous becomes past continuous. She said that she was going to a conference. You can use the word that or take it away. It's optional. It doesn't matter. Next one. I've lost my passport. He said that I have, goes back a tense, he had. He said that he had lost his passport. I've lost present perfect becomes past perfect in reported speech. We have been on holiday. We've been on holiday. 2 people, so they. They said that they present perfect becomes past perfect. They said that they had been on holiday. And the last one, I don't understand. He said that, so I don't Go back a tense, present simple, past simple. He said that, he didn't. He didn't understand. So, every verb goes back one tense in reported speech. English grammar? Reported speech? Easy peasy. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.